Welcome guys back to my YouTube channel. Today what I'm gonna do, I have some leftovers. I'm gonna teach you a survival mode, like if you have anything left over in your fridge. Here I have some leeks, some garlic, ginger, and some julienne pepper. Inside here, it's a pot noodle. You can use any pot noodle. I just put some water in it just to soften it over. But just in case you're home and you feel for something different, here I have some chicken left over. Yeah, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna warm the chicken up a bit. And stay tuned. And thanks for watching. I'll show you what you do with this chicken. I'm gonna create one of the most beautiful, quick, easy meal out of leftovers. Chicken is a bit warm now. Show you what to do. In this pot, I have some olive oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. So I had a bit of leeks. I'm going to turn the gas down because I don't want it to be burned. Garlic in, ginger in, peppers in. Bit of pepper, just a little bit of salt, give it a bit of stir. This is what it looks like. Then I'm gonna add my noodles in. And I'm gonna add a little bit of soy. This is optional, you don't have to put it in. Gas off. Put them on the plate. I'll take my leftover chicken, just warm. Just put him over here. Spoon this over. And I have a bit of rocket salad. Just top him on top. And there you go, guys. This is what you can do if you have any leftovers, just to make a meal rather than put it in the bin. Please remember to like, share, and leave positive comment. Peace be.